cannot be a mechanic. Fuck DIY. So I'm in the ZL1 and I'm actually going to my buddy's place, WB Installation, to install the aFe intake. So I thought I'll make just a few different clips of how the car feels without the intake, so we can have like a little bit of a reference point. I mean, I have driven this car for about 3,000 miles, so I kind of know how it feels and how it tends to pull. So I hope I'll be able to feel the difference and then communicate to all you guys how the car felt. So yeah, I'll be having a few more clips of me driving, a little bit of pulse on the highway, and then I'll have the clip around me trying to install the aFe, and then my feeling and how the aFe tends to do in terms of adding some horsepower post this clip. All right, see you in a while. Alright, so after battling a lot of traffic, I'm finally at Will's place, and this is where I'll be installing the aFe on the car. So yeah, and then my quick impressions while coming here, because I wanted to do a before and after video. So I mean, this car is amazing. I like how planted it is. I like how it picks up and goes. It definitely feels slightly less in terms of that punch than the Corvette, which has the exact same 650 horsepower engine, and that's pretty much evident because the Corvette, first of all, has a colder intake and next pipe, so makes about 40-50 more horses, and then the Corvette also is a much lighter car, and that one is a carbon fiber edition, so that's no surprise. And GT500 is, I mean, all of you know, it's a 760 horsepower machine. So yeah, I mean, that's like, it just feels like how I've always felt. I mean, I like it. It's pretty torquey. I like the low-end torque on these Camaros. I have a pedal commander, so I don't have any issue in terms of any lag. So it just picks up and goes. I'm definitely missing supercharger whine. Now I'm coming from my Dodge Hellcat Red Eye days, so it's nothing close. So I'm hoping the cold air intake at least adds some of that supercharger whine. So yeah, that's just my expectation. So stay tuned for more content in terms of installing the aFe. So we have a small problem. So this scoop needs to go in here, and this slot is bigger. So what we are trying to do now is use some heat gun, and we'll see if that works.